Welcome to English Boost Motivation. We are very happy to have you here. This channel is created for everyone, but especially for those who are new on this platform and new to learning English. If you feel shy, confused, or afraid to speak English, this channel is for you. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way, and that is completely okay. At English Boost Motivation, we believe that anyone can learn English, no matter their age, background, or education. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need expensive courses. You only need the desire to learn and the courage to start.
The Hotel Boy Who Never Gave Up. A small village, a big dream. Rahim was a young boy from a small village. His village was quiet and simple. There were green fields, small houses, and narrow roads. Rahim was only 16 years old. His father was a farmer. His mother worked at home. The family was poor, but honest. Rahim had a dream. He wanted to learn English. He believed English could change his life. But life was not easy. Because of money problems, Rahim had to leave school. He felt sad, but he did not cry. He decided to work. One day, he went to the city. First day as a hotel boy. Rahim got a job in a big hotel. His job was simple: cleaning rooms, carrying bags, serving tea, saying yes sir and sorry sir. People called him Hotel Boy. On his first day, he felt scared. The hotel was large. People spoke fast English. Rahim did not understand most words. A foreign guest asked him, "Can you bring me a towel, please?" Rahim froze. He did not understand. He felt ashamed. Another worker helped him. That night, Rahim could not sleep. He said to himself, "I must learn English. I must."
Learning English in silence. Rahim worked 12 hours a day. He was tired, but every night he studied. He bought a small English book. He learned, "Good morning," "Thank you," "Please," "Sorry." He practiced in front of the mirror. "Good morning, sir. May I help you?" Sometimes he made mistakes. People laughed, but Rahim did not stop. He listened carefully when guests spoke. He repeated words quietly. He wrote new words in a notebook. Every day, one new word. Pain, insults, and tears. Not everyone was kind. Some guests were rude. One guest shouted, "You are stupid. You don't understand anything." Rahim smiled, but his heart broke. One manager said, "You will always be just a hotel boy." That night, Rahim cried alone, but he remembered his dream. He said, "Today they laugh. Tomorrow they will respect."
A turning point. One evening, a foreign woman dropped her bag. Rahim ran and helped her. She said, "Thank you so much." Rahim replied slowly, "You are welcome, madam." She smiled. She asked, "Where did you learn English?" Rahim answered honestly, "From books and listening." She was surprised. She said, "You speak very well. Keep learning." Those words touched Rahim's heart. That night, he studied harder than ever. Growth and confidence. Months passed. Rahim's English became better. He could now talk to guests, take orders, answer questions. New workers came. They asked Rahim for help. The same manager who insulted him said, "Rahim, talk to the foreign guests." Rahim smiled quietly. He was no longer afraid. From hotel boy to receptionist. 1 year later, the hotel needed a receptionist. The manager said, "Rahim, try." Rahim was nervous. The interview was in English. He spoke slowly. He made mistakes, but he spoke with confidence. 1 week later, he got the job. Rahim was now a receptionist. His salary increased. People respected him. He called his parents. His mother cried with happiness. The lesson of Rahim's life. Rahim never forgot his past. He helped other workers learn English. He said, "Start small. Learn one word a day. Never feel ashamed." Rahim's story teaches us, your job does not define your future. English is a skill, not magic. Hard work changes life. Final message, slow English. If a hotel boy can change his life, you can too. Start today. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. Never stop. Your journey has just begun.